Metwa so ani eda so ejina no pafonton from Jumedi ekoso e wo fidie mu hanom efri adwoada ekosi efiada mede ebesom e wo yen studios hanom no na Dr. Khalifu Salifu ono ene pani kwancherefo a woda Chaba Orthopedic and Herbal Center ano opani aba be cherechere se yahrawa no eniama a ema ohaw ebe mu anase yade ahodo be mu no enya ne awohomi akọ mu nko a na niama ahodo obobo so ne de yenkohwe bi mbra.
And in naturopathy, the human being, there were 3 dimensions of man, and they are all interconnected. There were the mind, there were energy, and there were the emotion. And mind, energy, and then the emotion, they are intertwined. And they must always be balanced. So, to say imbalance, these 3 more, and the problem never. In fact, I'm talking to you right now, I'm talking of the energy aspect of man. Inti sa energy no eko block pe na se energy to me flow pe e di yare enebeba inti se uye obi a uyari odi yare no action odi akọ different places from one point to the other and when say ma wedro and they don't teach you these things then it means say true healing dey want me nyebi because you must know say uye electrical being. What you say TV aye plug, fan aye plug, and AC aye plug, aye so electricity come na aye juma. Sad also tie. The only difference is that you generate the electricity within yourself. You will near my friend electrolytes. You say sodium, magnesium, chloride. These electrolytes, when they start moving through cell membranes, they generate electrical energy. Now, electrical energy, then they activate you, and that's quicken. So you are just like that. Who's your electrical being? Yeah, emotional trauma, suppressed emotion. In naturopathy, no. Okay, about emotional side, no. In naturopathy, no. You see, the body expresses what the mind suppresses. Inti, nyama ebe umwa, ya person beka ho asem na odi ahye umu nyina ni na no body be hye asese ebe yini ebe express no. Be ma inkofo hu say body dey koso. But most of the time no yenti body no ni kasa na ase. Because uye obi a ebufu ahye uma na se nyama hye webufu ba onka you don't let it out obejemu na se umu a it affects the way your liver functions.
Oh, okay.
Yes, inti sa negative emotion na anger no ema ese u liver no. Okay. In naturopathy. Na se uye obi a bia uba ewu anase omami ewu anase papa ewu ana obi a ododo pa ewu na se you are grieving na uye se stress so na se bibia ye wo ya na so you can't even breathe well. They affect your lungs. So no you drone a healing no. Oh, okay. What I say say na man you drone a healing start aspect of yare no. You nyama so a healing aspect of yare no. So what unti ase. Inti grief. E she umu a de bia akoda na wo su na ba no say na wo ajai mi say the we no tie de bia na wo su. De bia you are grieving. Eno be ma wa ama wo lungs no aba form. Na so wo chronic stress wo bia wo de bia wo dwen nyama ho business ho wo target wo say hiti bia you are stressed now and also affect your digestion. Who did here if you are not being digested sentiment digested you nya proper absorption of nutrients. Na so nya proper absorption of nutrients the cells will be deficient in nutrients. Na cells no omo nya nutrients no o be sha say omo emumu be sha say omo use the waste in your system and then they will develop into cancerous cells and also be yare be wrong. Okay. What I say, inti emotions, ema o yare. Inti there was that side no of yare. Suppressed emotions over the years. There are a lot of people omo yare no is as a result of suppressed emotions. Omo no medro, but the root cause of the imbalance no buy no. You address it. What I say. And then the another thing so ema inkrofo so yare omo address diet. We talk about diet, baby. But when we are talking of diet, in natural medicine, diet is not just food. Okay. Diet is information. So I call a more system of information because they contain nutrients. They say electrolytes they have been sharing. And no ejuma Emma because the cells they communicate through electromagnetic energy. And without energy, even magnetic fields cannot be created in your body. The communication cannot go on. What I say? Yeah. Adriani is not just food. Adriani is information. Okay. At the same time, Adriani is medicine. Because Saudi Arabia na Saudi no year e be sa o yare.
When in year do how bebre.
Yes, and you should know when to eat and when not to eat. And yet they be at edidi and I say every time they edidi.